guys, so in this video today I'll be showing us how to add trailing stop and break even to our trading robot. In the previous video I explained how we can turn a trading strategy into a working robot, a price action trading strategy into a working robot in less than 5 minutes. So in today's video I'll be showing us how to add trailing stop and break even futures to our trading robot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video and get it done.
Alright guys, so this is where we stopped last time. Okay, this is where we stopped last time. Okay, we did this little connection as regarding to our price action robot. I've created a video on that also. You can check it on the channel. Okay, so you can watch the first video before watching this, or maybe after watching this you can still watch the other video so that you can understand better. So let's get straight to the point. Let us add break even and trailing stop to our robots. So what we need to do now is to come to this part that says trailing stop and break even, this section here. Click on it, then we bring out trailing stop, okay, and also bring out break even. Okay, so then we'll come here to trading condition. We come here to the trading check position and other counts. And we bring out this block that says each position. So what we are saying right now is, what we are trying to tell the robot is, if there is a position, okay, if there is a position, do this or do that. So let's start with the trailing stop first. Let's connect trailing stop. So but when we double click this block to edit the parameter, you can see it's filtered by either buys or sells. Okay, either buys or sells. So I'm telling the robot that if there's a buy trade or a sell trade, throw the stop loss. So now let's edit the parameters for this trailing stop. Okay, all right, so we come here to trailing stop here. Okay, we input let's input 500 points. Okay, so what this trailing stop here does is, it is the distance between the stop loss and the current market price. Okay, that's the distance which you want the robot to maintain. So this trailing stop is what it can do good and can do harm, in the sense that if you make it too tight, okay, you can be kicked out easily, whereby the market can still go towards the direction. And if it is a little bit widened, okay, the market can play around the stop loss and still not hit your stop loss and continue the direction. So it depends on you, if you are the aggressive type or the conservative type. You understand? But I will show you when we are testing it, so you'll be able to see what it can do. So let's just leave it as 500 points. So this trailing step, we won't be using trailing step, we'll be using trailing stop. So let's leave this as a 0. So then we come here to trailing start profit threshold. Then we click on it. We come here to do this drop down, select pips off set from open price. We click on it, then we change this. Let us change this to 1000 points. What we are telling the robot to do here is that once we have a profit of 1000 points, once the market has moved in our direction with 1000 points, then the robot should start trailing stop loss. So this is what we are trying to tell the robot to do. Okay, trailing starts 1000 points. Once it is up to 1000 points, then you should start trailing the stop loss. And this trailing stop is the distance it should maintain between the stop loss and the current market price. Okay, so we update. Okay, so now let's download this and test it to see if it's going to do exactly what we input. Okay, let's copy. Let's paste it in our folder. Okay, let's go back, refresh, search for our box. Okay, open it. So now let's test and see if it's going to do exactly what we've programmed it to do. Okay, there we go. Change it apply. Okay. So now let's fast forward it a little bit. Okay. All right, taking the buy trade here. Okay, upon this two rejection, took the buy trade. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, you see that now when the market move in the direction of 10,000 points. Okay, you can see that here. That's when the trailing stop moved. Okay, but I think there's a news release here, so that's the reason why it has not closed the trade, because it has hit the take profit already. Okay, so let's continue. Now you can see, let's calculate the distance between this stop loss here and the current market price. So let's move our cursor. You will see that the difference is equals to or approximately 500 points, which is what we input in the trailing stop. Okay, that's what we input in the trailing stop. So the robot is maintaining that distance. It's maintaining that distance. So let's continue. You can see that it has take profit. Okay, same thing here again, taking the buy. Okay, that's our trailing stop, but then we close with profit. We still close with profit. Okay, that's it, our stop loss. This one is our stop loss also. Let's see. Okay, now we've taken another buy here. Now you can also see this has hit our stop loss, but it went back in our direction. So this is also what I'm explaining, that the distance wherever you set can make or mark the trailing stop. So if the trailing stop was a little bit wide, maybe you are using the trailing stop of about 700 points, probably it might not have hit our stop loss now and still continue in our direction. So that is what I'm trying to explain now. If the trailing stop was a little bit widened, okay, then probably this will happen. You won't have been taken out of the trade and still went in our direction. However, it's still good, but it feels profit. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, that's also. Okay, this has taking a buy here also. Okay, so now the box is already trailing the stop loss. Okay, you can see that also. Let's calculate the distance. The distance is approximately 500 points also. So you can see that. So you can see how the trailing stop works. It's not something difficult. So now let's make use of break-even. Let's make use of break-even. All right. So break-even on the other hand is just something simple. It's very, very simple. So disconnected our trailing stop from this block. So let's edit the parameters for this break-even. So let's say 1,000 points. Okay. So what this stands for is, it says pips on profits. How many pips on profit do you want the robot to break even? So let's make use of 1,000 points. So once we are in profit of 1,000 points, the robot will just do what? Break even the trade. Okay, so let's update. Alright, let's download and also test it. At this point now, I would love it if you can like and subscribe and also share this video with other traders so that they can learn something new. Okay, so let's test this also. Alright, my goal is to get up to 200 subscribers before the ending of this month. I don't know if that's achievable. It all depends on you guys. Okay, you can like, subscribe, and share. I would so much appreciate it. So now let's test. Okay. We're taking the buy. Okay, that's the traffic profit. Let me slow it down to this so you can see it when you take it. Okay. Okay, I can see it has broken in. It has broken in the trade. It has broken in the trade. Okay. It got kicked out. So that's the reason why I prefer the trailing stop to break even. Because the trailing stop now will have closed with a little amount of profit. Okay. So yeah guys, so that's just it, nothing difficult. Okay, so we break even at this point also. Break even at this point. So that's just it, guys. Nothing difficult. It's not something difficult. And at this point, if you want to learn more, you want to know how you can, do this by yourself, how you can turn various strategies into a working profitable robot. I've created a list of courses that will assist you in doing this. So all you need to do is leave the link in the description. I'll be leaving the link in the description to our website. All you need to do is to click sign up on our website and be able to get access to these courses. And also you'll be able to create trading robots for yourself. Alright guys, so the next video I'll be creating is how you can program a trading robot with your mobile phone. If you do not have a system or a computer like this, you can make use of your system. You can make use of your mobile phone, your smartphone. I've gotten lots of questions. I don't have a system. Can I make use of my mobile phone? And the answer is yes. That will be my next video, and I know you don't want to miss it. I'm sure you don't want to miss it. So if you don't want to miss it, just kindly subscribe. If you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe, turn on post notification, like and share with other traders. Let them also benefit from these videos. Alright. So until I see you guys next time, stay safe and have a lovely day.